Yo, welcome back to the channel. Alright, in today's episode, I want to go over a few favorite cryptos of mine that I'm invested in, and everything seems like it's going to the freaking moon, y'all. We're going to dive in, and we're going to do some little analysis, a little technical analysis on some of my favorite cryptos. It's Carpe Diem. Today I've had my eyes on XRP, VECHAIN. I'm gonna also look into CARDANO and a small micro cap BITTORRENT. I know a lot of them I'm personally invested in, and I got my eyes on them. They're gonna make people a lot of money. We're gonna throw this joint right on the computer and do a little technical analysis. All right. And we about to see what's going on. Let me get this thing on the screen right quick. Okay. Where are we? Yes. I'm about to bring y'all into this screen so we can look over it together. Okay? Gonna see if we can predict some prices here in the next couple of weeks. Can you dig it? All right, let's go. Okay, y'all. XRP. XRP is my favorite all-time crypto. Huge. I'm huge and very big in the XRP community. I have majority of all my money into this coin, y'all. I highly believe in this coin. I believe, call me crazy, but I believe it's going to be the new Bitcoin. It's probably going to take a few years, but that's what it's all about. That's why I want to show y'all that. I'm here on COINBASE, by the way. Go to the home, go to trade. These is all assets. Assets, liabilities. You have your liabilities, and then you have your assets. Shout out to Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Robert Kiyosaki taught me that. And these assets only grow through time. Look at this. Look at Bitcoin. 2003, it was at $135. Held through time, like real estate. Now look at where it's at now. Okay. What else can we do? A lot of these. Let's do Ethereum. Everybody's buying it. 71%. Do the all. 80 something cents. It dropped down to 60 something cents 6 years ago. Okay, 6 years ago. If you would have put $1,000 on this thing, you would have been a millionaire. Only thing these crypto assets is gonna do is bubble through time. Get your money in now, the earlier the better. Okay. Now, we want to talk about XRP, VECHAIN, Cardano, and BitTorrent. Okay, this thing's looking pretty good, man. See, look at that. Through time. Last month, from 59 cents to now it's $1.59 through time, y'all. Okay, boom. We got XRP on the daily. Look at that. That thing is like, sure you can. It's heading to the upside like nobody's business. Took a little dip. People took some profits. And also, like, I want to show y'all about these lines, what these lines mean. These are the moving averages. I like to use the blue line as the little brother. I call it, it's the 20 moving average. Call it the little brother. And we got the red line, which is the 200 moving average, right? Now, what these moving averages do is act like magnets or I would like to call the floor, right? And I like to call these candlesticks as a ball, a basketball, handball, right? And these lines act like magnet floors. So when you see, I'm gonna zoom in on the 4 hour. Now when you see the stock, it goes up and it can't stay, the stock cannot stay far from these moving averages. It's like the law of physics for some reason. Don't tell me how. I just, studied a lot about it, how to read these charts, and I'm trying to break it down for my audience to understand. So it goes up, rips up, and then all of a sudden comes down, has to touch it. Bing, bing. So it's like literally you bounce a ball on the ground and it's just boing, boing. When it gets too high, when the little brother gets too high away from the big brother, it has to come back down and touch the big brother again. Boing. Now what we're about to see is another one of these. XRP is, within the next month, it's probably going to be at, I'll say like $2.50 or something. My price prediction by the end of May is to be at $2.50. It's because it's doing one of these. The RSI right here, that means when it's all the way down here at the bottom, that means it's time to buy. It's like them Louis, them Jordans right here, they on discount. See, they on discount. You get them right here, so we look at they, but oh shoot, them lashes, ladies, them lashes is on discount. Them sneakers, them clothes is on discount. You get in right here, and then if you want to scalp it, you sell when it start getting up here. See, bottom, you follow that line up. See, right? I'm using TradingView. This is a good website to go on. You can put in any stock ticker symbol, forex ticker symbol, and even crypto now. Okay, so that's XRP. My price prediction is $2.50 in 30 days. All right. So what else we got here? Yes, VECHAIN. Let's go over to COINBASE. I like VECHAIN because all these, I want my peoples, I want my community to get on the goods while they cheap. Look at VECHAIN, 20 cents. I got into this a month ago, y'all, at like 7-8 cents. Let's do the 1 month. See? You see how that asset work? You buy and you just hold. A lot of people buy, sell. A lot of people don't got time to do that. Sit at a computer on their phone all day, buying the dips and all that. So, you know what I'm saying? While you working your job, while you taking care of your kids, you ripping and running, buy it and leave it. This is just 30 days. 8 cents, now sitting at 20. 121%. Let's see what it was a year ago. A year ago in May, it wasn't even a penny. And that's going to bring me to later on in this video, another sleeping giant I'm going to put y'all on to. I highly recommend y'all. I think it's like my third biggest position in crypto. Anyway, VECHAIN wasn't even a penny a year ago in May. Now look at that. Look at that. If you would have put, oh my God, you know how many times it's got to flip to reach a penny? You would have, with 4,446% right there. You would have made. You ain't getting that on real estate. You ain't getting that in stocks, ladies and gentlemen. This is the wave. This is the future. Ha! I'm preaching to y'all right now, but I'm just the guy up the block and around the corner trying to put y'all D. I'm the homie. I'm the friend. I know I might not have, the perfect pronunciations, but one thing I do know is money. How to double it. Okay. As you can see, VECHAIN. Excuse me for these pops-ups. They want me to pay for it. Well, I pay for it when I can get it for free. Well, maybe if this channel blows up a little bit better, I can. I can put some money down on that. Okay, we start with the 1 day. It's Shoryuken, the uppercut. Shoryuken. Okay, it had to come down. It had to come down, touch the gravity. The ball bounced, boing, and then hit the little brother. It hit that. It kissed this 20 moving average right here. And also, you know, it's really oversold. This thing is to the moon, right? Okay, we hit the 4 hour. That's beautiful right there. You see that? It went real high. It got separated from the big brother right here, or the big sister. It came down, and what it do? Kissed it. Ah! And now it's about to go up for another one. My monthly price prediction for this bad boy, where is it, 20 cents? I'm gonna say in 30 days it should be at 29 to maybe 32. 29 to 32 cents in 30 days. Moving on. VECHAIN. Okay, Cardano would be the next big boy. Cardano is literally like a sleeping, freaking giant. It's not the sleeping giant I'm gonna put y'all on to, but they say it's supposed to be the Ethereum killer. And I want to see, I'm interested in it, so that's why I put some money into it. For the year, if you would have put money in, it was at 4 cents, now it's sitting at $1.36 for a 2,700 upside on your money. Buy and hold, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, that's Cardano. You can read the description here on what it's about, what they're doing. And the thing the thing about Cardano is, this is the daily. It's overextended. It's like you bounce the ball and it's still in the sky. You know, you're like, where the ball at? It ain't come down. It ain't come down from the sky yet. So I'm a little concerned that it hasn't kissed the big sister, big brother, or hugged the big sister, big brother. You look at the 4 hour. That's why you got all this consolidation right here. You have a lot of consolidation. A lot of the price is in limbo because of this. Because it ripped so goddamn high, so goddamn fast, that you need time for big brother, big sister to catch up. So once it catches up to the stock, it will continue to the upside, but until then, we are gonna be in limbo like this. Boing, yoing, 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 right? So my price prediction for Cardano, I would say in 30 days it might be 160 to 155. Hopefully that 200 moving average can catch up to it. Now, drum rolls please. Okay, the sleeping giant. Today I would love y'all to take a look at is BitTorrent, the beast mode. I love BitTorrent for the simple fact that, first and foremost, it's cheap. And we're early to this party. I know we are so early to this party. Not a lot of people have shown up yet. So right now, ladies and gentlemen, we are just collecting our drinks. We sitting, find the perfect in the cut spot with our drinks, waiting for other people to get in the club. You hear me? It's like arriving to the club at 9 o'clock. Okay, the thing, like I was telling you about, VECHAIN, ADA, them boys wasn't even a penny, right? It wasn't even a penny. And we are early to the party on this one. Very early. When I seen this, and found out what they did and found out the company they was, I had to put a bag on there. I'm putting the bag on here and I'm holding, ladies and gentlemen, on the yearly. BitTorrent is at 2,600% and it hasn't even hit a full penny yet. This is big. BitTorrent, if y'all remember, y'all probably do remember BitTorrent. BitTorrent was the technology that people was using. Like, I mean, a lot of millennials probably don't know about this, but when you had the bootleg DVD, man, in your neighborhood used to come through, got the new movies on the DVD, the bootlegs and stuff, they would go onto BitTorrent sites and download all the illegal content. This is an illegal content platform where you could download anything. And it's a whole community, a whole army of people that love BitTorrent. It's the world's largest file sharing platform where you can just go and download anything you want on your computer on BitTorrent. So I love BitTorrent for that. Brings back a lot of memories. And look at this bad boy on the daily. It's like, sure, right, you can. I'm a big fan of Street Fighter, don't mind me. It's doing ripped up nicely. It's consolidating a little bit. It just touched the little brother. Now when you need to touch the big brother, it's on the 4 hour. And it just did. You see that? When you look at Cardano, it wasn't nowhere near this. This thing ripped up, consolidated. This is what Cardano needs to do. It's consolidating a lot, giving big sister, big brother enough time, enough time to catch up. And then the continuation is going to go. And this is what you call, it's going to be a mega cup in the handle. It's going to go like this, whoop, and then it's going to scream to the upside. My price predictions on BitTorrent, I say, I'm gonna just say in a month, 13 cents. 13 cents. No, not my bad. Not 13 cents. I'm sorry, y'all. Forgive me. It's gonna be 1 penny and a third. A fraction of a penny. You have doubled your money by holding for 30 days. Now, a lot of these coins you cannot buy on COINBASE. So I highly recommend y'all download an app called Voyager. I'm gonna leave it in my description below for y'all. Okay? But BTT is my sleeping giant. I recommend y'all get into this party early. Sure, you know, the main act ain't show up yet, but yet and still, it's gonna make a lot of people a lot of money. Thank y'all for holding it down for me. If y'all made it this far in the video, I appreciate it. Thank you for the support, y'all. And I'll be coming back tomorrow with some updates on some other cryptos that I got my eye on. Later.